Dear students, in the previous class we are discussing the 8th standard chapter Factorisation. So in that Factorisation chapter we have seen how to write the factors of the given numbers and the variables, and also we have seen the factorization of given algebraic expressions by taking the common factors, or by writing the common factors. So in that we are simplifying the exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. So students, can you recall that exercise what you have studied in the previous class? Because we will continue with the same exercise, that is second line, factorize the following expressions. Factorize the following expressions. Now, so the problem is 6p minus 12q. 6p minus 12q. Now, so if you factorize, write the factors of these. This can be written as 6. Write all the factors of 6p and then 12q. 6p and 12q. So that means we have to write the only for the numbers we have to write the prime factors. You are already familiar with the definition of the prime factors. The numbers which are having the factors only one and itself. Only one and itself. ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥವುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ನಾ ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So now the factors of, we will write here, observe clearly, we must write down prime factors. Prime factors na baribeku. 2 3s are. The factors of 6 are 2 3s are. So both are the prime numbers. Similarly, write the factors of 12. 2 6s are 12. So again 2 3s are. Now this can be written as 6p can be written as 2 into 3 into p. 2 into 3 into p minus, so 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into q. So now write down the or underline or identify the common factors. Common factors are 2. So here also 2 is there. 3 3. So if you take 2 and 3 as a common, so this 2 into 3. So if you take outside, so here p is remaining. P minus sign is there, minus the remaining factors are 2 and q. So therefore this can be written as 2 3s are 6 into p minus 2q. So therefore the factor of 6p minus 12q is 6 into p minus 2q. So here are the factors of the 6p minus 12q. So ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಆಲ್ p 6p ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 6 ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. So this can be written as 2 into 3 into p minus, so 12 can be written as, so So here 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are. So therefore 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into cube. So ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ 2 3 2 and 3 are the common. ಇವನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ. So remaining elements p ಇದೆ minus 2 and q ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Next ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ you will get 2 3 are 6 into 3 minus 2q. Now students, we will see this problem, second problem. So in the second problem, here also we have to write we have to take all the prime factors. So by observing it, we can write the prime factors of 10 are 2 into 5. 2 into 5. So this can be written as a square can be written as write the factors of a square. They are a and a minus the factors of 15 are 3 into 5 into b into b plus. So the factors of 20. So 20 are. So if you have doubt, so you have to write the factors by factorization by taking. So 2 10s are 20. So 2 5s are 10. So plus 2 into 2. Sorry, I will write here. 2 into 2 into 5 into c into c. So I think you have understand. So now observe the common factor in all the three expressions. So if you observe 5 is common here. So here also. So here also 5 is common. So is there any common factors are there in the given algebraic expressions? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗಿದೆ ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮೂರು ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 3 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಬಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 5. ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 5 ಇದೆ. ನಾವು write down the 5 as a common factor. Now write the others. 2 into a is again 2a square minus 3b into b 3b square plus 2 2s are 4 c into c square 4c square. So therefore, so this is the factor of the given expression 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. 5 into 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. Okay students, I think you have understand how to take the factor. Okay, we will continue with the next problem. So the next problem is, so here there is no numbers are there, only algebraic terms are there. So this can be written as, write down all the factors. So x square can be written as x into x into y into z. So x square y z can be written as x into y into z plus write x as it is into y square can be written as y into z plus plus x into y into z square can be written as z into z. Now identify the common factor. So here x, here also x is there, and also x is there. X is common in all the three algebraic expressions. So another x is, it is present only in the first term, not in the second and third term. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x ಮೊದಲನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇ b ಪದದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಎರಡನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂರನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ y ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1y ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So 1y is common in all the three terms. Similarly 1z will be common in all the three terms. Therefore, if you observe this, common factor is x, y, z. Common factor is x, y, z in all the three cases. So now x into y into z. So if you take it outside, so what are the remaining terms? So here it is x only, write by x. So write down the sign here. It is plus, write plus here. So if you observe, what will be the remaining term? So here it is y, therefore write y. So similarly here the sign is plus, write down the sign plus, and the remaining term is z. So therefore, now if you multiply x, y, z, x into y into z, so it is x, y, z into x plus y plus z. So therefore, factors of x square yz, xy square z, xyz square, or xyz into x plus y plus z. Okay, students, we will see the next. Now students, we will see another method. So that is factorization by regrouping the terms. Factorization by regrouping the terms. Here students, what is meant by regrouping? So for that we will see an example. So if you observe here, you have to factorize this 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x. So if you observe the first two terms, so there is no common factors is available. And the next two terms also there is no common factors are available. Regrouping ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು rearrange the given expressions without change of their sign and without change their values, original values. So ಇಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದರ ಸೈನ್, ಆ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು so this can be written as, this can be rearranged as, so it can be rearranged as 2xy. So this 2y is taken to second term, so 2xy plus 2y plus 3 3. Or you can write 3 plus 3x. Now, so if you observe the factors, here you observe the factors in there. So 2y. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 2y ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇದು 3. So ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. So this can be written as 2x y plus 2. So this point indicates into multiplication sign. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ into ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 into y into 1. So this 2y can be written as 2 into y into 1 plus 3x plus this 3 can be written as 3 into 1. So ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು so 2y take down the 2y as a common. If 2y is taken common, so what will be the remaining term? So it is x plus. So here also if you take 2y as a common, what will be the remaining term? 1. So 2y, if you take 2y as a common, is x plus 1. 2y into x plus 1 plus. So here in these two cases, so 3 is there, 3 is common. So take 3 as a common, so it will be x plus 1. Now, so if you observe this, so here also, once again we got x plus 1 as a common. So in this term and the second term also. So therefore this will become this. So if you take x plus 1 as a common, if you take x plus 1 as a common, the remaining term is 2y. Write 2y, write this side, plus x plus 1 is already taken outside. So the remaining term is 3. So therefore its value is x plus 1 into 2y plus 3. So the factors of x plus 1 and 2y plus 3. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ರೀಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ರೀಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಸೈನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನ 2xy as it is ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2y ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ 1 ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ as 2 into y into 1. So 3x as it is ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 into 1 ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 2y ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೀ 2y ಅನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 1 is there. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು 2y into x plus 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ x plus 1. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು x plus 1 ಇದೆ, ಇದು x plus 1 ಇದೆ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ x plus 1. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 2y plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ therefore the factors of the given algebraic expression is x plus 1 into 2y plus 3. Now we will see this problem. The exercise 6.1. So that is third main. Now students, write down this. So this is already in the it is very easy to factorize because it has all the common terms. So here also it is common term. So in these two cases also we have the common term. So therefore it is need not to take the or need not to write the rearrangement. So it will be written as it is. So therefore this can be written as x into 2x. So remember that this point indicates multiplication. X into x plus x into y plus. So this can be written as 8 into x plus 8 into y. Just I have substituted this x square as x into x. So now common term. So the common term here x is common. So take out the common term x. So the remaining term is here. So it is x plus here it is y. The remaining terms. If x is taken common as a outside, so the remaining terms are x plus y plus. So here in both the cases you have 8 as a common term. So 8 common there. So 8 and 9 common term. So in ಉಳಿದ remaining x plus y. Now observe this and this. You have to observe one. So if you observe these two, x plus y is common there. X plus y is common. So if you take x plus y as a common factor, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ x plus y ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತದೆ remaining x ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. So x write this sign plus. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus y remove ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ you will cut 8. You will get 8. So therefore, so this will become x plus y into x plus 8. So therefore, the factors of x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y are x plus y and x plus 8. Okay, we will see the next problem. So this problem. So here also it is need not to rearrange the terms. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ನಾವು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ x ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ y ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. a into x plus b into x minus a into y minus b into y. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? x ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು x ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ x ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ a plus b. x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ x into a plus b minus. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ. ಸೊ y is common there. Y is common. Y and I common degree, write the y as. So it will become a. So they have taken minus as a common. The sign changes. So a plus b. So this you have to keep in our mind. So if we take minus as a common term, sign minus sign. So this the sign of the last term will be changes. So if it is minus, it will be converted to plus. If it is plus, it will be converted to minus. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ನಾವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಆ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ a plus b ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ a plus b ಇದೆ. So here also a plus b, a plus b. So therefore a plus b is common. Write a plus b. So the remaining term, so here it is x, here it is y. So the remaining terms are x minus y. So therefore a plus b into x minus y are the factors of ax plus bx plus minus ay minus by. Okay students, observe these three problems. So if you have got any doubts regarding this, so first you have to work out what I have given an idea in simplifying the problems. So if you have got any doubts, so you have to write it in your note. So and come to the class and clarify in the class hours. Okay, we will see the next part. Now students, we will see the next problem on the same exercise 6.1. So if you observe this problem, so this is z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So if you observe this problem, so there are just if you observe the problem, so you know you can easily understand that there are no common factors are there for first two terms. You can easily understand for the first two terms there are no common factors. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ರೀಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ರೀಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ, 7xy will write first 7xy. So after that I will write minus 7 without changing their values, and then write down minus x, y, z, and write z to the plus z to the lastly. Now another step we will write another step. So this can be written as 7 into x into y minus this 7 can be written as 7 into 1 minus x into y into z, right, as it is, plus z can be written as z into 1, z into 1. Now if you observe the first two terms, see the common factor here. So 7 is the common factor. If you take 7 as a common factor, so remaining terms are x, y. X into y is x, y. Write down the sign minus. So 1 is remaining there. So the factors of 7xy minus 7 into 1 are 7 into x minus 1. Sorry, xy minus 1. 7 into xy minus 1. Write down the minus sign here. Now observe the common factor or identify the common factor from these two terms. So that is z is the common factor. Z is the common factor. Now take out the common factor z. So the remaining terms will be x, y. X into y, x, y. So we have taken, observe here, we have taken minus as a common. So then this sign will be changes. Here it is plus, then it will be becomes minus 1. Now observe these two. You have xy minus 1, xy minus 1 as a common factor. Now write down the common factor xy minus 1. It will be the remaining term. Here it is 7. Here is minus z. So therefore, these are the factors of z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So the factors are xy minus 1 and 7 minus z. Students, I think you have cleared how to factorize. Okay. So next we will see the factorization by using the identities, that means the formulas. So students, there are some of the problems I have shown you some important problems on the exercise 6.1. So the remaining problems, which are present in the exercise 6.1. The remaining problems in the exercise 6.1. So that is in the first main, second main, and third main. So you have to simplify and write it in your workbook. Okay. So we will continue in the next class.